product is through proper planning, as well as implementing and maintaining a system for improvement. Known as the Demming Cycle, this concept was introduced by Dr. William Demming and is based on 4 principles. The first is plan, the second is do, the third is study, and the fourth is act. In the first stage of the Demming Cycle, we need to identify the opportunity or problem. We must thoroughly examine the standard conditions of the finished product and the available information. In this initial phase, we should propose ideas and develop a detailed plan. The second stage is the do phase, where, after identifying potential solutions in the Demming Cycle, we need to conduct a small-scale pilot project. When we carry out this project, we should collect data and observe the correct functioning of the changes made. The next stage, which is the third stage, is the study phase. Here, we evaluate whether the idea was successful and whether we need to try further changes. If the project is not successful, we return to the first stage. In the fourth stage, we implement our proposed solution. The Demming stages are illustrated in this slide in the same. In the second stage, the complete management of the pharmaceutical product lifecycle must be defined. This means that the product process should be properly understood. First, the quality requirements of the product and the business must be recognized. In addition, regulatory requirements should also be identified. After these stages, the process of preparing the complete pharmaceutical product should be examined through risk management. And CPP, critical process parameters, CQA, critical quality attributes, and CMA, critical material attributes, should be recognized. Furthermore, the user requirement specification for the connected straight line should be elaborated, and subsequently, the production process of the pharmaceutical product should be designed, and planning should be carried out comprehensively. In the third stage, the process should be designed in such a way that the production of the pharmaceutical product complies with the Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, requirements. I will then present the main requirements of Good Manufacturing Practice to you. The set of Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, regulations established by the FDA and EU to ensure the quality of pharmaceutical products is referred to as GMP. In fact, GMP regulations enable companies to minimize contamination and either eliminate or reduce errors, ensuring that consumers can be confident in purchasing products that are effective and, importantly, not dangerous. GMP regulations encompass various aspects, including maintaining records of personnel qualifications, hygiene, equipment validation, process validation, and handling complaints. This standard is highly flexible, allowing each industry to interpret it according to its specific needs. GMP is also sometimes referred to as CGMP, where the C stands for current, reminding manufacturers to use up-to-date technologies and systems to comply with regulations. The following points outline the aspects mentioned in GMP.